welcome to my channel. My name is Lawal Ridwan, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Today I want to show you how you can remove a background from a picture, of any picture. As I said, just make sure you are removing background from a clear pictures. So continue watching. First, the link up to this website is in the description below. So go to your directory and select any of the pictures you'd like to remove the background. So click on it and wait for some minutes to let it upload. So I want to check another directory. I prefer so I want to check some directory. Pixabay is a directory that I like to be using. So as you can see, the picture is removed within 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, even you can use this as work on Fiverr for just $5. So let me try another picture. So let us remove the background of these pictures. Okay, let us remove the background of these pictures. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe. I usually drop video and every week about tips and tricks, make money online, how you can earn online, how you can earn passive income. So, and this one is one of my tricks I'm doing also. So you have to download it. Just download it. You don't have to get any watermark. There's no watermark here. Download and use it as you like. So thank you for watching, and peace out.